Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone temperature. iPhone need to cool down before you can use it. And flashes disable. iPhone need to cool down before you use flash. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and basic method is turn off your iPhone. For that, go to settings, tap general and tap shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for 4 to 5 minutes until the iPhone cool down. After that, turn on your iPhone. Now we go for solution number 2. Turn off location services. To turn off location services on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on privacy and tap location services. Turn off location services by tapping again turn off. Solution number 3. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 4. Stop using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or mobile data. For that, go to settings, and if you are using Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and if you are using cellular or mobile data, turn off for a few minutes. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. To reset all settings, first we have to launch settings, then tap general, scroll down, find and tap on reset and tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Solution number 6. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.